Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Coffee with Chuck. You'll notice we're in a brand new location this month. We're in Durham.
Yes,
brand new Hope Valley branch.
Yes.
So joining us this month is Wendolyn Fillmore-Mitchell. She's the branch manager here at the New Hope Valley branch. And she's going to tell us all about what you could expect. But first, let's celebrate with some coffee.
Let's do it.
So we've got a Durham coffee. This is the Las Aguilas blend from Caballo Rojo Roasters here in Durham. And it's actually a Peruvian bean that comes from a co-op in Peru. So always
supporting co-ops.
Yeah, doing that cooperation among cooperatives. Oh, I really like that.
Smooth.
That is good.
Yes.
You might notice a little extra thing on the table there. Chuck, congratulations.
Congratulations to you.
And the guys behind the
camera.
So we earned
series won an award.
Yeah, we won an award from the Raleigh Public Relations Society. So that's always great.
Awesome.
We like winning, and it's nice to get recognized for the way we're able to communicate with our members and with our employees. We're here. We're finally here.
Finally. And thank you all for having me. I appreciate that. And just want to welcome you all to our newest branch here in Durham. We're excited to be here, and we're so glad that we're here. This location will be replacing the Southpoint Crossing location. It sure is. Sure is a big upgrade from the storefront that we had previously. Totally big upgrade. So we're just asking everyone to come out. We're here and just come out and visit with us. We're at 7103 NC Highway 751, and we're right near the Hope Valley Commons Shopping Center area.
So what can members come to expect, especially those who had been going to that old storefront branch?
Yes.
This is a brand new experience for them. So let's tell them a little bit about what they'll expect when they walk in.
Sure will. Members, they can expect 777 tele-hours. Also, we're going to have the ATM, PTM on services and drive-up services as well. When they walk up to the ATM, it's going to prompt them on a welcome screen to select either a teller or the ATM to perform their transaction. Also, we always offer our full slate of wonderful services, our loans, our deposits, our mortgages, wealth management, and Daymark Realty.
So, and you had mentioned the drive-ups. That's a huge change.
3 of them out back.
Yes.
Look great.
Yes.
So that's nice and convenient.
And there's a lot of green in this branch.
Yes, it
Wonder
is.
why.
Absolutely. It's a beautiful location.
It is a great location.
And of course, we want members to come out and celebrate with us. What can members expect from a grand opening celebration standpoint?
What we would like for them to do is to watch their emails, because we're going to send out something detailing our Join Day promotion, and we're encouraging them to bring out their friends and their family to open accounts, and then they both can get rewarded as well.
Awesome. So someone coming out as a new member is going to be able to benefit, but our existing members are going to get rewarded for sharing that benefit of membership.
That's excellent.
Successful for us.
Great. Any events planned?
Oh, yes, definitely. We're going to have our grand opening and our ribbon cutting on November the 7th. And also we're going to have a member appreciation day on November the 12th. And we'll have a family fun day on Saturday, November the 16th. We're going to have a lot of activities for kids, a photo booth. We're going to have food. We're going to have the coastal van and a branch scavenger hunt as well.
Wow.
And those
sounds
sounds
like a fun day.
Yeah, those are always
So do come on out. Do come on out.
Good reason to come out and check things out.
Yep.
So hopefully you can make it to one of those 3 events. I'll have the details down in the description here, so you won't miss that.
Chance to meet the great team that'll be
Exactly.
working here.
And you have a great team. And
We
it's a little
do.
bit bigger than the one from Southpoint.
Yes,
right? You've added a
yes.
few people?
We've added one person
Awesome.
on our team.
So Chuck, the holidays are approaching,
Hard to believe, isn't it?
right?
Yes, it is.
And so we do a lot toward the end of the year. We stay pretty busy. But one of the things we like to be able to do is to be able to help give back to the
Yes,
community.
and we do that year round. And one of the things we're doing this year is a toy drive, kicking off another toy drive to benefit the Boys and Girls Clubs in Wake, Durham, and Orange counties. All of our branches are drop-off locations.
Okay.
So, if you can pick up some toys for kids, drop them off at those branches, and bring a new unwrapped toy to any of those locations between November 1st and December 13th. And those will be distributed to needy children through the Boys and Girls Club in these counties. So it's something fun for us. I know our employees enjoy doing it, and we'll have certainly drop-off boxes at our headquarters. But it's just a great way to give to the community we serve at the holiday time of the year.
Yes.
It's a great program. I know in the past we've collected 2,000-3,000 toys each year. So, we definitely encourage people to come out and bring a toy and help make a child's Christmas a little bit happier.
Absolutely.
It's awesome. And it helps us meet that cooperative principle.
Yes, concern for community.
It does.
Yes, definitely. It does.
Awesome. I'm going to start with Wendolyn. Any final thoughts before we wrap up?
I would just like to welcome everyone out. Just come out and visit with us. We're just so excited and appreciative of having our new location and just so grateful. So come on out and just visit with us.
Chuck, any thoughts?
This is Thanksgiving month, time of Thanksgiving. We're so fortunate at Coastal and thankful for the members we serve and the relationship we have with them. And so I really just want to say thank you to all of our members, to our entire team that does an amazing job serving our members. But it's an opportunity to spend time with friends and family and being thankful for all that we have.
Yeah.
Actually, I'd like to give a shout out to one of our community partners. North Carolina Courage won another league title.
Awesome.
They did.
Another league championship. So congratulations. We've been proud to sponsor that team for the last couple seasons. Our presence there at the soccer park with the Coastal Credit Union.
And the Hurricanes are off to a hot start this year as well. So that's exciting as well.
So good times. That's about all we have time for this month.
Okay.
So you heard it. Come check us out here in Durham. We're at the Hope Valley Commons Shopping Center. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for tuning in.